so dirty, but they look nice if somebody would see from far. So I have decided so dirty. We get through the complexities of leadership, and here I'm gonna be. Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to another vlog. So आज है चौथा दिन ईद का and I have to go to university. Yes, of course I have to. और अभी मैं क्या करने लगी हूँ, अभी I'm gonna be getting ready for the university. Let's go. वैसे तो ये इंसाफ नहीं है कि ईद के फ़ौरन बाद आप यूनिवर्सिटी में बुला लो बच्चों को, लेकिन खैर मुझे जाना पड़ा. So usually I don't do a lot, but I only apply, sunblock. It's actually front camera. It is actually tinted sunscreens and it's very good. So I'm gonna be applying this. I don't know if you guys apply the same way, but मुझे ऐसे लगाना अच्छा लगता है.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. क्या लबे सीरी सा लग रहा है दिल गार्डन पर.
Presentation actually, अब दिल उतर गया उससे क्योंकि it's been so many times. I don't even remember the number. मतलब बार postpone हो जाती है due to some reason, maybe sometimes class की वजह से, कभी AC की वजह से और some other reason. ठीक है, it gets postponed. And now कल भी मैं गई थी यूनिवर्सिटी. ठीक है, कल भी मैं गई थी यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशन, बट प्रेजेंटेशन कैंसिल होगी बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया. दो क्लासेस है, BBA और BBIS, इन दोनों की इकट्ठे होनी होती है. सो दैट्स द रीज़न कि सारे बच्चों की एट अ टाइम तो नहीं हो सकती फॉर श्योर, तो फिर वो ना पोस्टपोन हो जाती है. एट टुडे इज़ माइन. और पहले मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता था, पहले मुझे फील होता था कि शाज़ीन क्या करेंगे एंड लाइक दैट, बट ना अब मेरा डर भी उतर गया. नाउ आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट और अब तो मुझे रट गई है, लिटरली मुझे रट गई है एंड आई कैन जस्ट से दैट I think we are done. Let's apply some more. मैं हमेशा जब हाई टाइम होता है ना, whenever it's high time, तब मैं रेडी होती हूँ एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन आई प्रिपेयर फॉर माई टेस्ट, क्विज़ेस, इवन असाइनमेंट्स. लिटरली मेरे ऊपर जब प्रेशर होता है ना कोई चीज़ करने का, दैट इज़ व्हेन आई डू दैट. उससे पहले तो मैं करती नहीं, वेली बैठी रहती हूँ वैसे. अब प्रेशर था ना, यू हैव टू गिव 10 नंबर की प्रेजेंटेशन है. डन. आई थिंक आई एम डन.
झूठ बोल रहा है.
Yes, now time for some lipstick. चाय खत्म हो गई ऑलमोस्ट. जस्ट टैप क्योंकि अगर ज़्यादा लगाए तो मेरी मामा कहती हैं तुम शादी पे नहीं जा रही हो. The same lipstick I use here and here. So this lipstick is actually my entire makeup set. I do my entire makeup with one lipstick. I think I'm done. Am I? Yes, I'm done. Yay, we are done. And now it's time to wear my ring. Yes. And now it's time to set my hairs. कैचर लगाना है. My mother don't like this style, but still I am making it. It's okay. Forgive me, Mama. Okay, we are almost done. Yes, I am done. As you see, I am totally ready. और अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि चूँकि मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन है तो मैं अभी जो है ना इसकी थोड़ी सी प्रेपरेशन कर लेती हूँ, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी जाके ना उसे हाँ से परा नहीं जाता. Exactly. So this is my presentation and let's revise. I have reached the university and I don't know why my heart's pounding.
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
I have prepared myself for the presentation and now it's time to go. Yeah, let's give it. मेरी पूरी कोशिश होगी कि मैं पहले नंबर पर दे दूँ, काम खत्म करूँ and that's class. क्लास में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी and I couldn't bear to stay there. पर अब मैं अपनी दोस्त को कहती हूँ जब मेरी presentation शुरू होगी ना, just call me. And right now I am sitting in the class जिसमें ये fans लगे हुए हैं. And you know even ACs are working. It's an empty class और तब तक इंशाल्लाह बच्चे भी आ जाएंगे क्लास में and you know क्लास में थोड़ी ठंडी हो जाएगी. I think so and then I will go there. Till that मैं प्रैक्टिस कर सकती हूँ. Welcome everybody. वो देखें उधर क्या है, सारे जाग रहे हैं. So I'm gonna be presenting Islamic leadership and Islamic management. And to simplify, who is a leader? Leader is the one who can lead and who can be led. And in further simple words, we can say a leader is the one who does the right things and the manager is the one who does the things right. Well, according to me, there isn't much difference between leaders and people like us. There is only a difference of some qualities because those leaders work on them and we don't. And if there isn't also much difference between Islamic leadership and the leadership. And unfortunately, other leaders and especially Western, they are most prominent one. Why? Because they are following rules of Islam more than we Muslims do, unfortunately. According to me, one of the most crucial qualities of the leader is the possession of both knowledge and wisdom. So why? How? Like knowledge is something, it's like when a leader without knowledge is just like a ship without a captain which is lost at the sea. And wisdom is just like it guides the leader to make sound decisions and navigate through the complexities of leadership. And here I'm gonna be telling you a verse from Quran from Surah Al-Baqarah. It says, "He grants wisdom to whom He does, and whoever has been granted wisdom has been granted for good, and none will remember except those of understanding." To further simplify that, I'm going to be giving you some real life example, especially of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Umar ibn Khattab. As we all know that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the most prominent leader of Islam. Why? Because he possessed that knowledge and wisdom. And then it continues for almost 3 to 4 minutes. I have given my presentation finally and now I'm going to eat something because I am very hungry and I need energy to survive. So let's go. मीठा मुझे पसंद भी है और मीठा आपको जल्दी एनर्जी दे देता है. So I bought these two and ate. एक बजे मैं वापस आई, यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में थोड़ा सा रिफ्लेक्ट किया कि आज क्या हुआ एंड देन आई स्लेप्ट. My experience was quite bad of polishing my nails on my own on Eid. So as you see, they're so dirty. I tried my best, but despite the fact they got out and they look so dirty, but they look nice if somebody would see from far. So I have decided to buy already customized nails and I'm gonna be trying them for the first time. So I don't know how they are gonna look. After that, I watched movie Lucy. It's a very nice movie. And that's all for today. Bye bye.